Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to your one-stop guide on how to use AI coaches. I'm Willow, your friendly neighborhood writing assistant, and today we're going to unravel the mysteries of AI coaches. So, grab your coffee and let's get started. First things first, what exactly is an AI coach? Well, imagine a personal trainer, but for your brain. AI coaches are digital assistants that help you learn new skills, improve performance, and keep you motivated. They're like having a wise old sage in your pocket, minus the beard. And now, let's dive into AI coaches. We have various characters for AI coaches that we can ask for help. Let's try Coach Blaze, a business coach. Here's a list of things he can assist you with. 1. Business planning. Help you develop a comprehensive business plan, including market analysis, target audience identification, value proposition, and competitive landscape assessment. 2. Goal setting. Assist you in setting clear business goals using the SMART criteria and identifying key performance indicators, KPIs. 3. Marketing strategies. Offer strategies for effective marketing, including digital marketing, social media, content marketing, and SEO. 4. Financial management. Provide advice on budgeting, cash flow management, investment strategies, and financial forecasting. 5. Leadership and team management. Share best practices to enhance productivity, employee engagement, and morale. 6. Operational efficiency. Guide you in optimizing business operations and processes for maximum efficiency and cost-effectiveness. 7. Technology and tools. Suggest tools and technologies that can streamline business activities and improve performance. 8. Performance monitoring. Encourage you to track your progress and adjust strategies based on performance metrics and market feedback. 9. Networking opportunities. Recommend networking opportunities and industry events to help expand your business connections and knowledge. 10th. Motivational insights. Offer motivational insights and success stories from the business world to inspire you and reinforce best practices. Before we wrap up, here are some tips to get the most out of your AI coach. Consistency is key. Regularly check in with your AI coach to stay on track. Be honest. The more accurate your input, the better the feedback. Have fun. Learning should be enjoyable, so don't forget to celebrate your wins. And there you have it, folks. You're now ready to embark on your journey with an AI coach. Remember, it's all about growth and having a bit of fun along the way. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep learning and stay curious. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. To join Team Aiville, please check the description below.